Find features that distinguish it from other brands for EBOSSOM P300 Pro, Portable Power Station 92,800 mAh. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because, it consists of the following features. EBOSSOM P300 Pro delivers 297 Wh reliable power in a lightweight 11.24 pounds body, perfect for camping and outdoor adventures. Lithium iron phosphate battery ensures 3500 plus cycles, 10x longer than standard lithium, while the EPS less or equal 30 millisecond pure sine wave safely powers many fridges, cameras, and other smart electronics. Fast charging refills 0 to 100% in just 1.2 hours via AC wall charging, allowing a healthier battery lifespan, and it fully charged by DC charging, 3 to 3.5 hours, car charging 3 to 4 hours, and 120 watt solar panel charging, 3 to 4 hours in full sunlight. EBOSSOM P300 Pro outdoor generators built in 2 pure sine wave AC outlets, more efficient and more stable. 300 watt output, can run 8 appliances simultaneously, the total of all output power less 300 watts. The built-in light keeps you powered even in the dark, ideal for RV trip, camping, hunting, blackout, indoors/outdoors emergency. Adopt quality lithium iron phosphate battery and upgraded BMS for voltage control, temperature control, and more advanced safety operations. Designed with the cooling vents on the back to help this portable power supply keep the temperature constant, its internal electrical elements will not be damaged by high temperatures. 30 millisecond EPS switching eliminates power gaps for medical devices. LED displays battery percent, usage time, wattage. Includes 4 lighting modes and silent operation for night use. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.